Hello everyone, today I'm gonna present our recipes app written in React.js for our web and mobile course. We are group 6 and I'm Musayev Alisa. My teammates are Ilaha, Jamalli and Gunel, Javadova. First, let's start with the home screen. Home screen is written by Gunel Javadova. We see the welcoming message, information about the features of our program, the latest recipe. We see here title, description, and other information about this recipe, and information about our other project and GitHub link to this repository. Next, we have our recipes. We have pagination here. We can go through different recipes. We can search for them. For example, we wanna find, I don't know, dolma. Next, we can go for more information. Delete it. Like, look at the last updated time, difficulty, and other stuff. We can search by tags. For example, we wanna cook a Azerbaijani meal. We search for it. We have a lot of different tags. We can go through them. Also, you can filter by difficulty. For example, we wanna go for something easy. We have pancakes, pumpkin pie, and other stuff. Also, you can sort them by difficulty, starting from easy and going to hardest ones, or starting from hard going to the easy. You can search alphabetically, sort alphabetically by last updated time, starting from 2023 up to today. Search by tags, sorting by tags, and other. We can also share multiple recipes. I selected plov, I selected pumpkin pie. I press share and it opens the default emailing app and pastes the JSON formatted text here. Also, you can add recipes. Let's first delete dolma. Yep, we just delete it. We search it. We don't have dolma. Let's see at our JSON server. Yes, we don't have dolma now. So let's add it. Let's go hard, step 1. Yep. You should separate tags, preparation steps, and ingredients by so that it works. It splits it into an array by commas, so you should format it in this way. And now we can search for dolma. Also refresh it. Dolma, yeah. Also, we can edit stuff. Let's sort it by last update time. Yep. We have 2023, 10th, I don't know, like we edit it. For example, we want to change its difficulty to hard and just write this one. We save it, and now if we search for pancakes, its last updated time is 2025, its difficulty is hard, and we see the preparation steps here. Also, if you don't like the default sorting, you can drag and change their order. And also if you refresh our app, the order is also present. I think that's all with the recipes page. We go for the contacts. Contact me is pretty simple. You just write your message, send the message, and it saves it in messages. Yep, it's our comment. That's it from our app. You can also share multiple recipes. I selected plov, I selected pumpkin pie. I press share and it opens the default emailing app and pastes the JSON formatted text